Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here on my channel, welcome to my channel. I do creative, beautiful looks, DIYs, fashion tutorials, and lots more on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this amazing Ankara inspired look too, and I was inspired by the colors on my outfit. The orange is under my eye and the cut crease transition color is the green on my outfit. Guys, I know you can see that I'm feeling myself. I'm bringing something totally new and expressive to my channel. Thank you for being the plug. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. You can follow me on all my social media platforms at Garbie'Signature. Don't forget to like, don't forget to drop your comments, share, and let's just get our subscribe buttons up. Thank you guys for coming on this journey with me. Get right into the look. Guys, I'm done with my brows. This is how you get a very detailed brow. If you would want to see me finish this, I've got a video showing you how to do an easy peasy makeup in 10 minutes, and you can check my other videos to see my foundation routine. I just wanted you guys to see how detailed you have to go. I'm going to be using the 120 colored eyeshadow for this look today, and first I'm going to be going in with this, the deepest shade of purple. Then next I'm going to go in with this blue. Then next I'm going to go in with this green, and in between you'll see me use the Neonbygarbie's eyeshadow collection, and I'll be showing you guys which of the ones I'll be using. This shade of purple, I'm just going to use it to blend out the crease, just the edge of the crease. So it's like I'm stretching it. For the second base color, I'm going to go in with a very light powder blue eyeshadow, and I'm going to use that to create a seamless and blendable transition color. And in that way I keep going back within the two colors to make sure that they all look alike. Even with the mint green, I'm going to go and do the same thing to just blend the edges out. I'm using a big fluffy brush just to blend out this green and slightly also touch the other colors so it has like an ombre effect. I went back in again with all the blending brushes and I tried to intensify the colors, because during blending some of the colors fall out, so it's good for you to just go back in and go over the same colors in the same way that you did it. That way you have more pigmentation and your eye looks more brighter. You have a very seamless transition shade. I'm going to go in first with my wipe just to clean up a semi-cut crease. To cut my crease, I'll be going in with the mmmmitchell and Plouise collaboration in blank canvas, and I'll be using it all over my crease. I'll be going over my eyelids with the mmmmitchell black canvas, and I'll be using a flat blending brush to carefully go over the area that I have cleaned and mapped out for my cut crease. Here what I'm just doing is going in a pat motion, and that way the product placement is properly done, and I'm able to, you know, make it stay exactly where I want. This way it gives it more definition and makes it stay put. Now I'm done cutting the crease. I have to keep my eyes a little bit closed so that it doesn't crease, but just the way I did the crease colors, I'm going to go in again on the cut crease, and I'm just going to try to just give an ombre effect on the same areas. So you're going to see me looking down a lot. It's because I'm trying not to get my crease to be creased. The next color I'm going is with the powder blue. And I'm taking everything in a slanting motion. Don't worry, it feels like it's all out of place. I'm doing this because I'm going to blend the edges in such a way that it's all smooth and together. The transition color, the lime green that I used here, over here, I'm doing the same thing over here too. To make the cut crease more defined, I'm going in with the Neonbygarbie's matte eyeshadow pigment. I'm doing this using a mixing medium to form a paste so that I can line my cut crease. But scratch that, let's rewind a little bit. Do you have the Neonbygarbie's 17 popping matte eyeshadow pigment collection in your makeup kit? If you don't, I think this is a time to have a rethink and send a DM on Instagram to Garbie'Signature so you can get one. You have to be on the plug. You guys know that on this channel I always give you guys the tea. This eyeshadow is what every penny spent. Let me just stop there, okay? Let's keep watching. And if you're watching till now and you haven't subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, drop your comments about your thoughts on this video, share this video. For my eyeliner, I'm still going in again with the Neonbygarbie's 17 colored neon pigment in the shade Midnight Blue. I mixed it again with a mixing medium and I'm drawing my eyeliner. I want a very angled eyeliner. I also use the neon in the shade Lime, and right now I'm going in with glitter mixed, and I'm just putting it directly below the line. I know it looks all messy and all over the place, but this was the clip I was able to save because I tried to concentrate so much. So guys, I'm done with my eye. Next, I'm just going to do my lashes, and for my eyelashes today, I'm going to double stack the eyelashes because I want it to be full. This is a super dramatic look, so the eyelash is also going to help in bringing the whole look together. So next is my foundation. I'm going with the Juvias Place in Zaria and the Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 356 Coconut. I'm mixing these two to get my perfect shade and on my face. For my concealer, I'll be using the Juvias Place concealer in J13 and the Plouise base in the shade Rumour 04. I'm going to be using this just very close to my waterline, and I'm going to be using this for the rest of my face. Just keep watching to see how I achieve that. To contour and bronze my face, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Cacao and the Cosmakery multi-dimensional bronzer, and I'm just going to go all over my face. And I don't really need to do much because my cream contour is already working. Next, I'm going to be doing my under eye, and I'm going to be using the blank canvas just to pop my under eye. And I'm just smudging my waterline. And to smudge my waterline, I used this shade from the 120 palette to smudge my waterline. And guys, I told you guys, if you're still watching to this and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing on my channel. I told you guys I'm going to bring in the tea. I'm going to be switching the looks up on this channel, and I believe so far I haven't disappointed. Like, are you feeling this? I totally am. This is like red carpet glam. For my lips, I had initially lined it with the matte Chestnut lip liner, and I went in with my special secret that if you want to know, drop your comments, I'll give you the plug. And right now I'm just going in with the Cosmakery lip gloss in Apricot and Mr. Mrs. just to give it a pop. For my blush, I'm going in with the Cosmakery blush in Midnight and Tango. To set my face, I'm going in with the Badescu setting spray in aloe vera and guys, we come to the end of this look. If you watched till here, you're the real MVP. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about this look. As for me, I love it. I love the vibe it's giving me. It's like, it's just different. It's amazing. It's fabulous. So guys, let me just go get dressed. Now we come to the end of this video. If you loved watching it with me and you loved creating this look, kindly subscribe, give me a thumbs up, drop your comments, and share this video. Next time I'm going to bring something more dramatic than what you see today. Thank you guys for being the plug and for supporting me always. I'm super grateful. Till next time, bye guys.